Is your iPhone filled with old text messages? Clean it up in just a few taps. Deleting individual conversations. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. In the conversation list, wipe left on any chat you want to remove. Tap the trash icon that shows up. Then confirm to delete the conversation instantly. Deleting multiple conversations. At the top left corner, click on the Edit option. Choose Select Messages. Tap each conversation you want to delete. Once selected, tap Delete at the bottom right. A pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. But wait, they're not gone yet. At the top right corner, tap on the Filters icon. Choose Recently Deleted. The deleted list will appear. Select all the contacts. After that, at the bottom right, click on Delete. A pop-up will appear. Tap on it to confirm. And boom, all your texts are permanently deleted, and that's it.